Hi guys, today we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing of HC1151A remote start kit by ADS-AHR-HCA, and let's get right into it. This is your one-way RF kit, and it includes two one-way key fobs and one antenna. This is the control module box that's in the kit. And here's a quick guide that shows how the module needs to be programmed before getting it installed in the vehicle. And finally, we got the wiring harness that includes in the kit. Let's open up the boxes one by one. This one-way remote kit includes an antenna and two remotes and a cable. And also your vehicle can be started 3,000 feet away, which is pretty impressive for this kit. And here we have the antenna cable, which has a 4-pin connector on both ends. And if I'm not mistaken, this cable is 98 inches long. I really like the way how the remotes are really small and slim and really easy to hold on hands. As you guys can see, the battery comes pre-installed. For more operating instructions, scan the QR code with your cell phone. Here we have the antenna with 3M double tape in the back for sticking it on your windshield. Let's open up the control module box. In the package, we have the hood switch and the module. And also this controller has a built-in bypass module. And here we have some warning stickers and the QR code card. And finally, let's open up the wiring harness. And here we have the high current ignition harness with some other harnesses to run your key data and your other accessories. And here we have the full unboxing video of HC1151A remote start kit. Thank you for watching, guys. And please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. Thank you.